Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to find the solution for the fourth question in exercise 7.3. Let's take the first subdivision here, integral of e power 2x plus 3 dx. We know the general form for integration for e power x dx. The formula is e power x plus c, which means I need this 2x plus 3 looking like a variable. So let's substitute that. So t is equal to 2x plus 3, which is dt is equal to 2 dx, or dx is equal to dt divided by 2. Put this back in the integration. So this will become e power t dt divided by 2. So 1 by 2 is a constant. I'm taking it out. So 1 by 2 integral of e power dt, e power t dt. Now that we know the formula, let's directly integrate and write this. So this is half into e power t plus c. T is a temporary variable, so we need to put all the final answer in terms of Ex. So the final answer after integration is 1 by 2 e power 2x plus 3 plus c. Now let's take up the second subdivision in this question. This is integral of e power 3a log x plus e power 3x log a dx. So first let's apply logarithmic properties before we start to apply the integration. So the integration can be rewritten as e power log x the whole power 3a plus e power log a the whole power of 3x dx. Now we know that e power log of something means I can strike out the e and log. So this will be reduced to integral x power 3a dx. I'm now breaking the integration also into two terms. Integral of a power 3x dx. For the first term, we know the direct formula. Integral of x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So let's directly apply the formula in this case. So it is x power 3a plus 1 divided by 3a plus 1. Plus, this part is not yet integrated, so I'm rewriting it again, a to the power 3x dx. Now let's write out the formula for a power x. A power x dx integration will be a power x divided by log a plus c, which means I need the 3x rewritten as a single variable. So let's make the transition. So t is equal to 3x. So dt is equal to 3 dx, or dx is equal to dt by 3. Now let's rewrite the integration. So it is x power 3a plus 1 by 3a plus 1. I didn't change the first term. Now let's make it to the second term. So this is a power t dt divided by 3. Now this 1 by 3 is a constant, so that can be taken out. So x power 3a plus 1, the whole thing by 3a plus 1 plus 1 by 3 integral of a power t dt. Now you can apply the logarithm formula directly. So this will be x power 3a plus 1, the whole thing by 3a plus 1 plus 1 by 3 a power t divided by log a plus c. We cannot leave the answer in t, so in the next step we can simply rewrite the final answer as x power 3a plus 1, the whole thing divided by 3a plus 1 plus a to the power 3x divided by 3 log a plus c. So this will be the final answer for the integration. In the next video, we will find the answer for the fifth question in this exercise. See you in this next video. Bye.